Imagine unlocking the secret of supercharging your day where every moment feels like a step toward becoming unstoppable. What if I told you it all begins with the way you start your morning? Yes, of course. Wake up before the world does between the magical hours of 5 to 6 a.m. The first thing you do, reach for a glass of water as if you are fueling your engine for an extraordinary journey. Step outside and let the first rays of sunlight touch your skin. It's not just sunlight, it's energy, it's life. Then power up with a high-protein breakfast that doesn't just fill you up but sets the tone for unstoppable energy without the day. Next, take just 5 to 10 minutes to meditate. This is your moment to ground yourself, to silence that noise and tone in your inner compass. If you're feeling bold, fit in a quick workout. It doesn't have to be long. It just have to get your blood pumping and your spirit ready to conquer. For coffee lovers, this is your golden moment. Sip your caffeine and letting it sharpen your focus and fuel your fire. Now dive into your most important work while the world is still waking up. This is your deep focus zone where distraction doesn't exist and productivity feels almost magical. Take a break later to read something inspiring, a book that expands your mind, challenges your thinking and feeds your soul. Choose foods that fuels your protein-rich, low-carb meal and keep your body and mind lighter and energized. Step outside again. Feel the breeze, soak off the sun and let it charge you. Use this time to connect with friends and family, with people who matter. Relationship for the invisible threads that makes life rich and meaningful. Let your creativity take over in the afternoon. Paint, write, feel, play, music, or do anything that lets your imagination run wild. This isn't just an activity, it sparks the light on. You are a genius. And when it's time for dinner, think balanced protein to keep it strong, healthy carbs to keep you going. And as the day winds down, prepare your body for mind, for rest, about an hour before bed. Take magnesium to relax and let go the day's tension. Avoid screen and their disruptive blue light. Instead, reflect on your day. What went well? What could be better tomorrow? Set intentions for tomorrow and practice deep, calming breathing. Finally, head to the bed before clock strike 10. This isn't just leave, it's your body time to repair, recharge and prepare for greatness. This isn't just routine, it's the foundation of life filled with purpose, growth, and energy. Try it and watch your day transforming into something extraordinary.